Hey guys, just want to do a quick video for you showing you how to disassemble this Ur Clos Dry Rack. It's super simple to take apart. You'll notice this middle hanging bar here, it's wedged down in there, so instead of just pulling on it, you want to make sure you just pull the entire frame a little bit, and that will allow you to free up these tabs down in the rack here, because they get pinched in there, which is by design. So just pull back a little bit and it frees that up. So then you pull out your middle bar, set it aside, and then you have these pins. There's 4 of these pins in every corner. So if you don't take these pins off or pull them up to loosen them up, the legs won't fold up. So just pretty simple. Just from either side, grab it. You just want to wiggle them out and set them in the slot that they have there. Now you'll see I actually can fold those up, but I'm going to do the other sides first. So same thing, loosen those ones, loosen that one. Now that you have those all, you just take it and you pull up one of the sets of legs, pull up the other set, and then it folds down super small. So if you want to put it in a closet or wherever you want to put it, you can, and it fit there really well.